Another day, another chance. So memory management and garbage collection. Which of the following is true about JVM stack memory? B. JVM stack memory is used for storing a method calls local variables and references to objects. Wh- Which of the following is not a type of memory area allocated by JVM? So local variable area. So the JVM local allocates stack heap and method area for memory management, but there's no local variable area in the JVM. So what happens when an object becomes ineligible or illegible for garbage collection in Java? It is marked for garbage collection by the garbage collector, GC. So an object becomes illegible for garbage collection when it's no longer referenced, and it is then marked by the garbage collector of the GC. So which of the following memory areas in JVM is used to store class level data like static variables and methods? Or method area? Yeah, pretty much deallocates unused memory in objects in the heap. I'm using the name garbage collector. Garbage collector is the process by which the JVM footprints automatically frees up unused memory occupied by objects that are no longer referenced. So what is the role of the heap memory in JVM? It stores method calls and local variables. It is used for strong class level data, stores instances of all objects created during program execution. Yes. The heap memory stores the instances of objects created during program executed and is managed by the garbage collector. Which of the following memory areas in the JVM is shared across all threads? So it's both B and C. Because stack and heap are shared across all threads. How does the garbage collector decide when to reclaim memory from unreachable objects? Based on a predefined time interval, it uses reachability analysis to identify unreachable objects. I'm just thinking about peace here. It runs when the stack memory is full and when an object exceeds a certain size threshold. It uses reachability analysis to identify unreachable objects. And then what is minor GC in Java? It collects garbage from the heap space, particularly from the young generation. Ah, come on, no, just stay there. It's collection of garbage from the method area. It collects garbage from the stack memory. It is an internal process that interacts with JVM to free up memory. To collect garbage from the heap space, particularly from the young generation. It collects garbage from the heap space, particularly from the young generation, which JVM memory area is cleared automatically when a thread is terminated. So stack memory is cleared automatically when a thread is terminated. A stack memory is cleared automatically when a thread terminates, as each thread has its own stack. So that's pretty much what happens here. Oh, yeah. Then another one. We've completed 10 out of 10 questions. Your accuracy is 100%. I mean, what can I miss with this one? So thank you very much. Take care and have a nice day. Hold on. Let me go back. Let me go back. 100% accuracy. I mean, that's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I can mess with this one. So yeah, so take that.